Hello guys, welcome back to Snapchat Trip. So, okay guys, that's all my classmates saying this me off because they say piss me off. That's Katie. He say keep saying ML. Oh sheesh, I just died. Just one. Keep up, keep up, keep up. Oh, I just do that. So again. Please watch on 7. I need to spin. I need to fly on one. Bro, that's the block on me. Alright, so hey, sheesh. Where do I go? Guys, let's change the game. Guys, here's fish. Okay, so I have the first one. So I have this fish. I went to diet yesterday, but I found a good fish. But today won't be enough. I had the first rod now. So I didn't. Okay, so someone is blocking me. It's my friend. So he is just trying to just cause a maybe my computer was so loud. No, so I don't know. Someone's playing Melis Humble in the pool trip. We have 6 and 3 of them. So like this, leave the fish radar. Okay, let's go to Ancient Island. I need 2 more money. I think I'll just use Ancient Island. Look at my one guys. How many progress I have? Oh, what happened? Okay.
Hello everyone. Double check po. Okay po, tayo po aalis na. Excited na ba?
Yay! Okay, so what is it? Oh, yeah, it's perfect. I think we're going to my town. My town is oh, great, yeah. Oh, it's not going on. I think I'm going to my town, guys. It's when I think we're going to town, yeah. The town is next to my school. It's called Bye, I see.
Okay guys. Alam ko excited na po kayo, pero unahin po natin ang isang magbigay po muna tayo ng isang dasal para sa ating po paglalakbay, para gabayan. Any volunteer po para mag-pray?
Sige, so continue.
Okay, thank you po, Miss Cathy. Okay, guys, excited ba? Talagang lakas ng energy. Lahat ba na puyat, Mami, Daddy? Puyat po ngayon? Okay. May mga nakatulog ba? Mahigit, ginising na lang nila Mami, Daddy. Ano? Okay po. Magandang umaga po and mabuhay. Welcome po, Mother Teresa School. Sa inyo po nga 2025 paglalakbay ara. Gusto niyo po ba yun? In behalf of Mixed Traveling Tours, kami po yan natutuwa at kami po yan isa sa mga sa inyong napili na makasama ngayong araw na to sa inyong pong paglalakbay ara sa ating pong mga pupuntahan. Gagawin po namin ang lahat na maging ma-enjoy at makita po ninyong lahat ng ating pong mga pupuntahang video at masilip lahat po ano po yung mga nakatago sa kanila. Hindi po ba yung gusto nyo guys yung makadiscover ng mga bago? Saan ba ang punta? Mabilis, right? Tsaka? Jade Castle. Sino gusto nyo makita sa Jade Castle? Si Daniel Padilla. Si Mami yata nag-iwan sa tugal ng Padilla. Kasa Mami ang tulog pero po si Daniel Padilla. Kaya maabutan po natin si Robin Padilla. Joke lang po. Okay. Bago po ang lahat, magpapakilala po muna inyong lingkod na sa inyong harapan. Ako nga po pala si Miss Ann. Pwede niyo po tawagin Miss Ann or Miss Meeting. Mas gusto ko po yun. Kasi mas naniniwala po ako sa aking nanay nung ako'y sinabihan na ako mag-opportunity. Diba po ba?